Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto AI Predictor, where we peel back the curtain on the most disruptive technologies in the digital asset space. Today, we are diving into a project that is tackling one of the biggest challenges of our decade, the battle for the soul of artificial intelligence. Imagine an AI that doesn't spy on you, doesn't lecture you, and isn't controlled by a single board of directors in Silicon Valley. We are looking at a platform that combines the power of advanced language models with the privacy of the blockchain. Stick around until the very end, because our AI models have just processed the massive February 2026 emission cut data and the surge in DeepSeek R1 privacy usage, and we have identified a high-conviction price target for this coin during this bull run. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to support the channel and stay updated on the frontier of decentralized AI. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before making any decisions in the crypto market. The privacy crisis. Why Venice is the solution. In early 2026, the world has realized that centralized AI is a double-edged sword. Every time you prompt a standard chatbot, your data is potentially being fed back into a corporate database or used for government surveillance. But we have entered the era of sovereign AI, and Venice Token is the champion of this movement. Founded by industry veteran Erik Voorhees, Venice isn't just an app, it's a mission. It provides a sanctuary for researchers, developers, and creators who need uncensored, private, and powerful generative tools. In a world where censorship is becoming the norm, Venice provides a God mode for the internet, an unfiltered gateway to human knowledge that belongs to no one and everyone. What is Venice? The private intelligence layer. Venice Token is the native utility asset for the Venice AI platform, built on the high-speed base layer 2 network. It acts as the key to a decentralized vault of intelligence. The pillars of the ecosystem. Private inference. Venice never logs your prompts or stores your data on centralized servers. Your conversations stay local to your device, encrypted and secure. Obliterated models. The platform uses obliterated versions of top models like Llama 3 and DeepSeek. These are modified to remove the hard-coded restrictions and biases found in corporate AI, giving you truly raw and creative outputs. The stake-to-use model. This is the game changer. Instead of paying a monthly subscription or a fee per message, you can stake VVV to gain permanent, daily access to the AI's compute power. It's like owning a piece of the server rather than renting it. DIEM tokens. By staking VVV, users can mint DIEM, a specialized token that represents daily API credits. This allows developers to build private AI agents and apps without ever needing a credit card. 2026 breakthroughs. Scarcity meets demand. What has our AI models so excited this month is a fundamental shift in the token's economics. As of February 2026, we are seeing the supply squeeze in full effect. The 25% emission cut. Just recently, on February 10, 2026, the Venice team implemented a permanent reduction in annual token emissions. This massive cut reduces the amount of new VVV entering the market, significantly lowering the structural sell pressure from the ecosystem. DeepSeek integration. The world went crazy for the DeepSeek R1 model, but many were worried about data privacy. Venice solved this by hosting the model privately, leading to a 50% surge in trading volume and hundreds of thousands of new users in the first quarter of 2026 alone. Base ecosystem dominance. Being built on Base means Venice is sitting right where the liquidity is. As the Base network continues to lead the layer 2 wars, VVV is becoming the primary AI utility asset for the entire ecosystem. The VVV token, the utility of freedom. The VVV token is one of the few assets in the crypto space with a direct burn-to-earn or stake-to-access utility that actually removes tokens from active circulation. Staking for pro features. To access the most advanced image generators and the highest capacity text models, users must lock up VVV. This creates a massive demand sink as the user base grows. API monetization. AI agents and third-party apps are now the biggest consumers of Venice's compute. For an AI to think privately in 2026, it needs VVV behind it. Governance. While the protocol is focused on privacy, The community has a say in which new open-source models are integrated and how the incentive fund is used to attract more GPU providers to the network. Capped supply. With a total supply of only 100 million tokens, VVV is incredibly scarce. When you compare this to other AI coins with billions of tokens, the unit bias and scarcity factor become very powerful. The AI prediction, targeting 13 US. Now, let's look at the data our AI models have been analyzing. We've looked at the 42% price surge seen just yesterday and the record-breaking 55 million unit trading volume that accompanied it. Our models look at the compute-to-privacy ratio. In 2026, privacy is no longer a luxury. It's a requirement for enterprise and professional use. As Venice captures more of the market share from centralized giants and the supply continues to tighten due to the new emission cuts, our models see a parabolic move on the horizon. The AI prediction. Based on the current user growth of 50,000 active daily users and the successful 2026 supply-side halving, our AI predicts that Venice Token could reach a target of 13 US during this bull run. Why 13 US is the logical destination? To reach 13 US, VVV would be achieving a market capitalization that reflects its status as the premier private AI provider in the blockchain space. Considering it is already breaking into the top 200 cryptocurrencies by market cap in early 2026, and its volume is rivaling some of the biggest names in the industry, this target is considered a high-conviction goal by our models. At this price point, VVV would be valued as the private intelligence layer of the web, a target that reflects its dominance as the only place where humans and AI agents can interact without a big brother watching. Final thoughts. The intelligent choice. Venice is proving that the future of AI doesn't have to be a corporate monopoly. By combining the world's best open-source models with the privacy and transparency of the blockchain, they are building a tool for human liberation. Keep a close eye on the DIEM minting rates and the validator growth throughout 2026. The shift toward private and censored AI is the defining trend of this year, and Venice is leading the charge. Thank you for tuning into CryptoOwl Predictor. We appreciate your support as we continue to track the most disruptive AI and infrastructure protocols in the space.